Hi, I'm Cassie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I'm bringing in this bag for 1 month. First of all, I have this backpack from Mac. It is the 40-liter. Forget the name of it, I'll leave it down below, but it is 40 liters, and I think the maximum carry-on for most planes are 35 or 40 liters, so I'm taking my chance and I'm gonna fit everything behind me in here for 1 month. Let's do this. So first of all, in these bags, I love these packing cubes. They make it so much easier to fit everything in your bag and then keep it all in one spot. These ones are by Orb. So in this first bag, I just have some bathing suits, socks, underwear, and a bra. I'm going to put this bag in the very bottom. Like so. Next thing are my shorts. I have 2 pairs of jean shorts, 1 pair of white shorts, high-waisted, and I'm going to lay these flat on top of that, like so. The good thing about this backpack is it holds so much stuff and you can just squish it all down. So the next thing I have are 1 pair of jeans, 2 pairs of running shorts, 1 pair of like beach or bathing suit cover shorts, and 1 pair of more dressy pants that kind of look like pants or a skirt. Next, I have some shirts. I have a plain crop top. I have actually a pretty lightweight dress, a t-shirt, another t-shirt, another crop top, and a workout shirt. So because these are smaller, I'm gonna put them, like roll them around what's already in there and stuff them down. And so I just rolled those things around the sides and the edges. And the good thing about rolling your clothes is also it helps prevent them from being wrinkled. 2 birds stoned at once. 1 pair of pajamas. And in this little bag, I actually have my shoes. So it's kind of like a shoe protector to protect your shoes and also to protect your clothes. So I'm bringing with me 1 pair of flip-flops, just Adidas, 1 pair of white sneakers, pair of water shoes, because how are you even cool if you don't have water shoes? And this pair of really light, cute sandals. It could be dressy or casual. Another trick I like to do is to take 1 shoe like this and 1 shoe the opposite way and kind of squish them together like a sandwich. And I'll put this bag on top. also brought with me two beach cover-ups or kimonos. A snorkel and mask, because who wants to pay for the door? I have this little mini travel hair straightener, and I have another packing cube, but this one is filled with some sunglasses, GoPro, a waterproof speaker because music. I also have these little makeup wipes that are individually packed, some coffee scrub, headband, flower crown. You never know when you might need a flower crown. My trusty waterproof phone case that I bought for $2 in Thailand. Hell yeah. And last, my little bag with all of my chargers, an iPhone cord that is actually a skipping rope. These 10-foot iPhone cords are amazing. So that cube, this is also by Orb, and this other cube is going right on top. And a butt. So that is everything in this huge bag. The airline technically lets you bring one carry-on item, which is my backpack, and one personal item, which I fooled them because I got the biggest purse I could find, and I'm filling it. I've just got some vegan chocolate, witch nuts, soy nuts, all the Cliff Bars because they're good. My random bag of toiletries. I've got hairbrush, I've got tampons, toothbrush, this cute little emergency bag. It's got a nail file, sewing kit, double-sided tape, and little things like that. I've got my iPad, the book that I'm reading right now, passport cover, my real purse, which I just sneak inside, and last but not least, my beach towel. That is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'm going to start recording videos for my entire trip to Hawaii, so I hope that you subscribe down below and follow along. And this is how you take everything for 1 month and don't pay money for a check-on bag. And one last thing, my camera.